Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Oak Bluff, a growing community just southwest of Winnipeg that blends country living with city convenience. This area started to develop in the early 1900s, built up by farming families who made a life on the rich prairie soil. The name Oak Bluff comes from the nearby groves of oak trees and the gentle rise of land that gave the area its distinctive shape. With new homes and businesses popping up in recent years, it's become a popular spot for those looking for a quieter pace without giving up urban access. The nearby perimeter highway makes it easy to commute while still enjoying open skies and prairie sunsets. Whether you're visiting, driving through, or thinking of staying, Oak Bluff has something special to offer. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Oak Bluff, Manitoba. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months.